En la ciencia.
Hello and welcome back or welcome to my page. I'm Nads and I do trendy DIYs or whatever I really feel like doing. So today I'm going to be making those patchwork type jeans again. They're really trending everywhere. You see them everywhere. And yeah, I did a video like this last time, but the video ended up being so long. So this time I tried to do it a different way so the video can be a little bit shorter and so that you cannot waste so much time watching me explain. And yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you check out my Depop and my Poshmark, but especially my Depop because that's where I post all of my listings and all that stuff and all the stuff I make. And check out my Instagram. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I wanted to dye my jean colors a little bit pinkish. So I made these 2 cups of pink water by putting fabric paint into water and mixing it up. And then basically I cut out my jean pieces. And this is the fabric paint I used. And then I placed the jean pieces cut in there and I put it into the water and let it sit for a couple of days or really about 24 hours. And then I took them out and wrung them and hung draw them. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. And then I cut more strips, more pieces and squares and just put it in there to sit for 24 hours at least. And this is how they look when they came out. Yeah, so I had these 4 squares, which will be my patches. I also did it with other things like the top of my pants, the top of a pair of pants that I was cutting up. Basically, you could just dye little patches with this and just keep on dyeing and do whatever you want with them. But yeah, that's what I did. Okay, here I am to hopefully describe this uncomplicatedly and well. So basically, I'm going to cut off a piece of this, probably each one pocket. I might only do 1 pocket this on these jeans. So I'm just going to cut off a piece of this and dye this pink just like I did with these. And yeah, that's literally it. I hope I did not overcomplicate it. And so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now I took these little extra dyed stacked part of the pants and I'm going to just squish it in there like this. And then I'm going to sew down on the top just because I like I like stacked jeans when it's this line here and then stacked, like not like how I do my leggings. Like this is how I like my jeans. So anyways, that's why I was sew like this. I'm overcomplicating things again. But that's how I'm going to sew it. Okay, so I ended up having to cut a hole in my jeans to sew on the patch because the patch is so large that all that fabric wouldn't be able to fit if I didn't cut that hole there. Fit through the sewing machine, of course. So yeah, I had to cut a hole to sew on the patch. And this is basically just me showing how I cut the hole and blah, blah, blah. And you know, we love a good patchwork moment. So yeah, I'm just putting on patches anywhere randomly. The best thing about DIY is that you could do it yourself and put it wherever you want it. So just put your patches wherever you want. I literally use E600 glue to glue on some of my patches. I love this E600 glue. Like, bruh, that helps so much. But yeah, and I just distressed because who doesn't love a good distress moment? Like the crap.
But your problems are bigger than mine.
Then I use these 3D fabric paints. You can literally use regular fabric paint or whatever. Like, I just wanted to use these so I didn't waste my money. And I just put little dots everywhere just to make, you know, like that galaxy star kind of splatter look. Yeah, that's what I was going for. And that's how I did it. I just put little tiny dots everywhere with multiple different colors. And yeah.
How many times you lied
Then for more splat effect, I just took my paintbrush and splat and flicked it everywhere, all over the pants, because I just wanted like the white, just only the white, all over the pants. And yeah, this is how like pieces turned out. This was when I just had white, and then I'd add more layers of paint on, more different colors, and it really just filled it up. Like, look at that, look at that, look at that. Like, y'all can't tell me that didn't look good. Like, look at that. Okay, bye.
You said come up to my front door.